morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the food microbiology. So food microbiology is nothing but it is the multidisciplinary field that can be focused on the study of microorganisms which is present in our food. So it is essential for ensure the safety and quality of the food products, as well as for the developing strategies to prevent foodborne illnesses and the spoilages. So in here we need to understanding the basic principle of the food microbiology. It is a key for the implementing effective food safety and measurements. Food microorganisms in the food in the one. So microorganisms, they are commonly present in everywhere. In food they are plays a diverse role. With for an example, bacteria, yeasts, molds and viruses, they are being inhabited in the food once. While some of the microorganisms, they can be used for the preserved food through the fermentations like that, and others can be lead to the spoilage or the foodborne illnesses. So understanding the role of the microorganisms in each and one, they are crucial for that is very important for the food safety. Food spoilages. Of course, we know that some of the microorganisms, they are responsible for the food spoilages too. They can occur due to not only the microorganisms, it can be various factors too. It will affect the quality and safety of the food materials. The recognitions, the signs of the spoilage and implementing preservative measures such as the proper storage and the hygiene practices are the essential for preserving food quality and reducing food wastage too. Foodborne illnesses. Foodborne illnesses in the sense that can be caused by the microorganisms. So the pathogens in the sense they can cause some of the affectants to the persons. So foodborne illnesses are oftenly caused by the pathogens, like for an example, bacteria, salmonella, E. coli. So they can be contaminate the food and they can be leads to the gastronic or gastrointestinal symptoms in the individuals. So these illnesses have significant public health implements, and it ranging from the localized outbreaks to the widespread contamination incidents. So underscoring the critical needs for the stringent food safety practices and regulations are needed in here. Food safety regulations. So in here the regulatory bodies, for an example like FDA or USDA, so they are play a very crucial role in establishing the and in ensure for the enforcing food safety and standard to safeguard the consumers' health. So the following the proper handling food handling and the guidance for the and ensuring the compliance with the regulatory requirements are imperative steps in preventing foodborne illnesses and maintaining the high levels of the food safety throughout the supply chains too. Food preservation. Food preservation in sense in order to prevent the spoilages one. So it is a technique, it is commonly in here the heating process or refrigerations or freezing, drying and fermentation and they are employed commonly to prolong the shelf life of the food products and maintain their quality and safety. These methods help inhibit microorganisms, prevent spoilage and retain the nutrient value of the food, ensuring the consumers safety and satisfactions too. HACCP. HACCP in the sense it is the hazardous analysis and critical control points. So it is a system. So they are the systematic approach used in the food industries to identify, evaluate and control the potential hazards that could be affect the safety and the food products. They are implementing the commonly they are implement the HACCP principles or enables the principal businesses to establish the control measures as well as the monitoring critical points and ensure the complements and with the safety standards too. So ultimately enhancing the food safety and reducing the risk of the contaminations are happened by this principles. And quality control of the food products. Quality control, it is essential for the food products to maintain the high standards to product quality, consistency and the safety too. So through that rigorous process, monitoring adherence to the established standards and obtaining the relevant certificates and food manufacturing can ensure that the products meet the regulatory requirements, consumers' expectations and industry's benchmark for the excellence. So to this I conclude so in the conclusion, the food microbiology, it is plays a very vital role in ensuring the safety, quality and sustainability of the global food supplies. But even though they are having the some more advanced one, it having some of the challenges too. So for an example, the emerging of the new pathogens in everyday life, antibiotic resistance is happened in the one. So they all are and need there for their rapid detection methods remain. They are the key challenges in the future for the food analysis. So up to this I conclude my work. Thank you.